Have you ever imagined a world without smartphones? It seems like an impossible thought, doesn't it? In the span of just a couple of decades, smartphones have become an integral part of our lives. They are our lifelines, our gateways to the world. From the moment we wake up to the second we close our eyes at night, these devices are within an arm's reach, always ready to serve us. Once upon a time, mobile phones were just that, phones. But then came the era of smartphones, devices that were much more than just phones. They became our personal assistants, our entertainment centers, our cameras, and our connection to the internet. We began to rely on them for everything. We started using apps for tasks like shopping, banking, and even to find our way around town. We began capturing our precious moments with the built-in cameras. And let's not forget, our smartphones kept us connected to the world, providing us with real-time news and social media updates. It's hard to imagine a life without the convenience of smartphones. The ability to have all these features at our fingertips, wherever we go, has changed the game entirely. But with all these advancements came a new set of challenges. We became tied to our screens and our real-world interactions started to diminish. And while we have been able to adapt to these changes, it's worth asking, is there a better way? That's where the iPin comes in. Picture a device that takes all the features we love about our smartphones, the apps, the camera, the internet connectivity, and blends them seamlessly into our surroundings. A device that's not just smart, but also intuitive and interactive. A device that doesn't tie us to a screen, but rather integrates technology into our lives in a more natural, less intrusive way. But what if there was a device that could take all these features and blend them into your surroundings in a more seamless way? Enter the iPin. This screenless AI-powered device is not just a concept for the future, but a reality that's here to redefine our interaction with technology. So are you ready to step into the future with the iPin? The iPin is no ordinary device. It's a wearable gadget that's here to replace your smartphone. Imagine a world where you don't need to carry around a block of glass and metal to stay connected. Welcome to the world of iPin. This wearable device is designed to replace your smartphone, freeing you from the constraints of a physical screen. The iPin is a marvel of technology and design. It's equipped with an ultra-wide RGB camera, depth sensor and motion sensors, allowing it to see the world as you see it. This isn't just a device, it's an extension of you, capable of experiencing the world in the same multi-dimensional way you do. But what sets the iPin apart is its unique, screenless user interface. Instead of a traditional screen, the iPin projects a visual interface onto your palm. You interact with this projection through voice and gestures, creating a truly immersive and seamless experience. And the heart of this technological marvel? A Snapdragon processor with a dedicated Qualcomm AI engine. This powerful combination ensures fast and reliable performance, enabling the iPin to process information quickly and efficiently. But the iPin isn't just about performance, it's about convenience. The device is completely powered by AI. There are no apps to download or updates to install. The iPin is always ready, always on, always learning. The iPin also features a special speaker that creates a bubble of sound, which can be intimate or loud, depending on your needs. This means you can have a private conversation in a crowded room without anyone else hearing your conversation. The iPin comes in 3 different colors: Eclipse, Lunar, and Equinox, perfect for matching your personal style. And for the complete system, it's priced at $699. In essence, the iPin is a virtual assistant that you wear, not carry. It's a radical technology product that redefines how we interact with AI. The future is here, and it's called iPin. Interaction with the iPin isn't through a screen like your smartphone, but through voice, gestures, and even your own palm. Yes, you heard it right, your own palm. The iPin takes innovation to new heights, shattering the conventions of traditional user interfaces. The iPin interacts through voice, allowing you to converse with it much like you would with a virtual assistant. Equipped with a special speaker, it creates a bubble of sound that can be as intimate or as loud as you need it to be, providing you with a personalized auditory experience. But that's not all. The iPin also interacts through gestures. Its ultra-wide RGB camera, depth sensor, and motion sensors allow the device to see the world as you see it, understanding your movements and responding in real time. This seamless integration of AI-powered vision and motion sensing technologies bring a whole new level of interaction, making your interaction with technology more natural and intuitive. Now let's talk about the most groundbreaking feature of the iPin: its ability to project text and notifications onto your palm. The eye pin uses a technology called laser ink display. This extraordinary technology transforms your palm into a visual interface. Whether it's a text message, an email notification, or a weather update, the eye pin projects it directly onto your palm. Imagine this. You're in a noisy environment and your eye pin notifies you of an incoming call. You can't hear it, but you feel a slight vibration. You open your hand, and voila! The caller ID is projected right onto your palm. You swipe your hand to accept the call, bring your hand closer to your ear, and the special speaker creates an intimate bubble of sound for you to converse in. The eye pin is not just a device, it's a revolutionary way of interacting with technology. It's not about staring at a screen, it's about making technology blend into our world, making it more human-centric and less device-centric. Imagine receiving a call and seeing the caller ID on your palm. That's the eye pin for you. In an era where privacy has become a significant concern, the eye pin is a breath of fresh air. Just think about how many devices in your life are always listening, always watching, and always tracking. The eye pin, however, brings a novel approach to privacy through its unique feature, the Trust Light. The Trust Light is an indicator built directly into the eye pin's hardware via a dedicated privacy chip. What does this mean for you? It means transparency. In the realm of technology where data privacy is often questioned, the eye pin's Trust Light provides a visible assurance that you are in control. This tiny yet powerful light tells you exactly when the eye pin is actively collecting data. Whether it's capturing images with its ultra-wide RGB camera, detecting movements with its depth sensor, or picking up your voice commands, the Trust Light glows. This allows you to be aware of when the eye pin is operating, ensuring that there are no hidden surprises. But the Trust Light's brilliance doesn't end there. It's not just a simple on and off indicator. The Trust Light changes color based on the type of data being collected. It's like having a personal assistant that not only tells you when it's working but also what it's working on. This level of transparency is unprecedented in the world of AI and wearable technology. More than just a wearable device, the AI pin is a commitment to privacy. It values your trust and respects your space, ensuring that your interactions remain confidential. It's a device that sees the world as you see it, but only when you want it to. The eye pin is not just about providing you with a screenless interface or enabling interactions through voice and gestures. It's about delivering these innovative features without compromising your privacy. In essence, the eye pin is a wearable device that truly understands the importance of trust in technology. With the eye pin, you always know when it's watching and listening. It's a new dawn in the world of technology where privacy is not an afterthought but a built-in feature. Indeed, with the eye pin, trust is at the core of its design. The eye pin isn't just a device. It's a new way to experience technology. It's a wearable marvel that promises to replace the smartphone, offering a refreshing and immersive interaction with the digital world. Imagine a device without a physical screen, replacing it with a laser that projects a visual interface onto your palm. Sounds like science fiction, right? But that's what the eye pin is all about. This remarkable device is standalone, which means it doesn't need a smartphone to function. It's built from the ground up with artificial intelligence, bringing a whole new level of convenience and adaptability. The eye pin sees the world as you see it, thanks to its ultra-wide RGB camera, depth sensor, and motion sensors. The eye pin's interface is truly unique. It's screenless and designed to blend into the background, bringing the power of AI to you in multimodal and seamless ways. It interacts through voice, gestures, and by projecting text and notifications onto your palm. This screenless interface is not just about novelty, it's about a more natural and intuitive way of engaging with technology. But what really sets the eye pin apart is that it's completely powered by AI. There are no apps, just a highly intelligent system that learns and adapts to your needs. All this is powered by a Snapdragon processor with a dedicated Qualcomm AI engine, ensuring fast and reliable performance for AI interactions. The device also has a special speaker that creates a bubble of sound that can be intimate or loud depending on your needs. And in terms of aesthetics, the AI pin comes in 3 color options: Eclipse, Lunar, and Equinox. All this cutting-edge technology can be yours for $699. The eye pin is a radical technology product that redefines how we interact with AI. It's innovative, it's powerful, and it's here to change the way we experience technology. So, are you ready to step into the future and replace your smartphone with the eye pin? The choice is yours.